Hey, hope you're having a great day. It's Sunday. Uh, I just wanted to come online and said, hey, appreciate you guys becoming uh, really motivated right now, and I'm hoping to get you guys some good information today, right? So welcome to my live here on TikTok. If you're not already following me, be sure to do so. And because I'll be dropping some major um, information for you. Once you come on here, do me a quick favor, smash the like button. Okay, thumbs up. And then my goal for this live is 100 lightning. If you could do that for me, I really appreciate it. Thank you again for joining. I know you have better things to do today, but I wanted to kind of come out here and tell you all about how you can, navigate uh, the the barriers to financial freedom by joining the fintech revolution right now. So this fintech revolution is happening, and it's for select individuals that are looking to level up, their finances and look at exactly what is stopping them. Okay, and I'm giving you a challenge. So it's a 14-day freedom challenge where you can start your own business now for $1, and then after 14 days, you just pay 129 and one-time setup fee, and be $49 per month thereafter. But but first, I wanted to talk about some things that people are not really, they don't want to talk about it, but trust me, I'm going to be talking about this stuff because I think it's important. Reggie, welcome. One there, welcome. Corner 77171, welcome. Appreciate y'all just joining. Rhonda, welcome. Matt, welcome. Um, Ask me a little bit. What are these three things that are stopping people from, you know, achieving their financial freedom? And it's things that people have been talking about. So, for example, it's low credit score. You know, they don't have cash flows. Freddie Watson, welcome. Do me a quick favor as you're joining this live right now. Um, do me a quick favor and thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, that means you get the sustained loves going. The little loves when you like them and see the good luck. And then so once you get those, we can do a deep dive about the presentation. What are the three barriers to financial freedom? Right now on the Broker University, you will have 14 days to do what I call a freedom challenge. Right? You join for $1, you start your own business, and you can launch your own fintech business. Right? Within this business is comprehensive training. Thank you for the sustain loves. Keep this coming, and you're gonna get a team. So it's not just you being in business, but you're in business with other people that are gonna motivate you and help you understand exactly what to do. Right. So, having said that, Maddox, welcome, welcome, welcome. Nave H. Guroja, welcome. Steve Melcher, 475, welcome. Appreciate C underscore G, welcome, welcome. Do me a quick favor again, continue to keep the sustain loves going. So once I get up to 500 people watching, then I'll go ahead and start the presentation. But suffice it to say that you're seeing right now the two things that are stopping people from achieving their financial freedom. These are the three most barriers. All right. So again, if you don't already know me, I'm the fork reskilling, and how this started was basically finding out that as a federal employee, I may be losing my job, and knowing that there's other people out there that may be losing this job. Okay. And so I said, you know what, let me start looking for ways to be able to help people in the process. And so through this effort with Freedom Path, which is an awesome organization, I've been able to kind of put together some resources to include giving you this awesome opportunity to start your own business for $1. And within 14 days, if you like what you get, and if you like the training, if you're sharing this for other people, being able to then pay that one time $129 fee plus $49 uh, recurring monthly going forward. So I see 52 likes. So I know there's more people that would like to take full advantage of this opportunity. So go ahead and continue to share, like, share, like, share. Do me that quick favor so I can start the briefing. I'm waiting to get to 500 loves. I know we can do it. Come on. You can do it. Keep it sustained and we'll get there. All right. So the number one obviously is low credit score. Give me 1 second while I just kind of move a little bit and get this going. Okay. So you'll be seeing me, but I'm I want to get the presentation going. Okay. All right. So the number one is low credit score, as you all seen, right? And so the number two is there's no cash flow, and obviously number three is, as you can see me right here. Number three is the lack of financial literacy. Okay, lack of financial literacy, but um, people have been denied and the distress. So 50% since March 2025, 50% of Americans who's applied for loan or financial products have been denied. That's huge. This is according to the bankrate.com credit cards news denial survey. All right. And so the highest loan rejection rates, obviously, parents with children under 18, that's 62%. The Gen Z ages 18 to 27, that's 58%. And obviously, you have millennials from the ages 28 to 43%. All right. So if you get enjoying the value that I'm adding right now, do me one quick favor. I'm gonna need you to type motivated in the chat. Texas, welcome. Katie Melty, 360, welcome. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You haven't even started seeing these values right now. I need to see sustained loss before I keep going. 82%, more than 8 in 10 Americans have been denied. That's 82% say that the rejection negatively impacted their finances. So what are we going to do about that? Emil Gomez, Aunt Miz 926, welcome, welcome, welcome. Jessica, welcome. Rebirth Mode, welcome. Okay. Once you join this live, do me one quick favor. Click um, hi, Aunt Miz, I just told you hi. Click anywhere on your screen and share this. And like it, share it, and get more people involved. I know today most people are kind of like, hey, Troy White 277, welcome. I need to see the sustain loss, folks, before I keep going through this presentation because I'm gonna get off if you don't give me the sustain level. Oliveira Perez, appreciate you. Welcome, 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 welcome. All right, so going, keeping this sustain going. So you see, they're tired of not catching a break. Okay, people like saying, "Oh, we're tired of not catching a break." That's 20.7 Americans say they're tired of not catching a break. They have credit card debt. You know, U.S. credit card debt reached a record $1.14 trillion in 2024, with the average debt per cardholder rising to $7,209 in 2024, folks. That's a lot of right. This is according to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York data collected as of November 2024. Okay, so you said mortgage application denial. So why people are piling up these credit card debts? The average rejection rate for mortgage applications increased significantly to 20.7%. Okay, that's a lot of denials, right? The other one that you see going on right now is what is the auto loan. So you see, in case you all don't realize, the tariffs that kicked in, the auto prices now are going up on an average of $4,000. This is according to what I saw on yesterday. Okay, so the the tariffs actually kicked in yesterday. So if you're not tracking that right now, if you're going to go buy a car, whatnot, expect to pay more. But according to this survey, the average rejection rate for auto loans reached 11.4% in 2024, the highest rate of rejections ever. Again, I'm going to repeat that. The average rejection rate for auto loans reached 11.4% in 2024, the highest rate of rejection ever. That is a lot of rejections, folks. So, what are we going to do, right? So, here, Freedom Wealth is a comprehensive financial solution. Again, this is how you can join the Fintech Revolution now. And I'm offering right now $1. You can join, and within 14 days, you can be in a good path to start taking care of your credit um, profile. Okay, this is not a credit repair solution. Instead, we're using fintech to give you access to the software to manage your credit. So Freedom Wealth provides all the tools you need to achieve financial freedom, empowering you to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Okay, we understand people are going through a lot right now. There's a lot of economic and financial pressures that are actually um, making people feel a certain kind of way. But I'm here to tell you that that shouldn't be an impediment to you doing exactly what you want to do. Okay, so if you can do me a quick favor right now, if you getting value from what I'm telling you, I need you to write in the chat me. Let's go. Type me in the chat real quick. Let's keep going. Okay, let's keep going. I know you're ready to take action right now. but type me in the chat so I know exactly the level of action that people need to take. And I will be here with you to help you in this process. So don't think for a second that you're going to be by yourself. Alfredo Monteroso, appreciate you joining. Okay. I see you, John H. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining. I know you guys, again, and girls, have a lot of things that you want to do on a Sunday, but you chose to come here and learn about what we're talking about. And I'm not going to stop talking until I get more people typing me in the chat. Let's go. Who's ready right now to uh, for a comprehensive solution, basically to help them with their financial freedom? I need you to type me in the chat. Let's go. Rupra 5557, welcome. Ramirez Mendez, welcome. Welcome everybody to this live. This live is for select individuals that are looking at what's happening right now financially, and they're saying, you know what, I want to join this freedom revolution. The reason I want to join it is because it's going to help me level up with my finances. And the reason it's going to help you level up is because it's about that time right now where everybody is very concerned about what's going on financially, right? They're better concerned about the economic downturn. They're saying, you know what, if I can utilize fintech to help me level up, to help me repair exactly what I need to repair, it might be such an awesome, exchange of information using fintech. Okay. But I haven't started dropping all the value bombs until I see some sustained likes going on right now. Joaquim Sanchez 562, welcome. Okay. Giovanni Escobar Rev, welcome. What's going on? Jose Polaros 247. Okay, let's go, let's go. I see a couple of people that I can see right now that are gonna type me in the chat. Let's go. Type me in the chat right now if you're ready to level up with yourself. Okay. 14 days freedom challenge. Start your business now for $1. Okay. You launch your own business. Okay. There'll be comprehensive training and support. Okay. And it's unlimited potential, and you can do exactly what you want to do. And just while you're at it, my goal, okay, I got 307, so I've kind of beat my goal right now. So that's really over 100 followers. But just keep doing that real quick. I need to get up to 1,000. I need to get it up to 1,000. Andrew and Edward, welcome. You know, if you get up to 1,000 followers, that will allow me to continue to share exactly what I'm sharing right now. Excuse me while I drink a little bit of water so I can continue talking. All right, so I drank some water so I can keep motivated. Warhay Carverio 58, thank you. Welcome. Warhay, welcome. Yum, welcome. I appreciate all y'all joining. I know you have more things to do the rest of the day, but I want to get your day supercharged. I want to get you leaning up to the new week with a lot of motivation. Okay. Well, for $1, you can join the Freedom Challenge. Okay. You can start your own business now for $1, and then within 14 days, you pay a one-time setup fee of $129. And then 30 days after that, you pay $49 per month. If you ask me, that's probably one of the biggest ways to get in business by yourself, but not, I'm sorry, for yourself, but not by yourself. Get in business for yourself, but not by yourself. The reason that's important, Lady Lopez and Birdman, the reason that's important is because for that $1, you can join, for 14 days. And then after that, you pay $129 one-time setup fee and a recurring $49 per month. Okay, so if you can allow me, I'm going to go back to the presentation. I've seen a lot of people joining. Thank you. When you join, keep the taps going, keep the loves going. That will allow me to keep the presentation going. Okay, so let me continue the presentation from where I was. Okay, all right. So I already told you about what is going on right now. I told you about there's the ScorePath, the WealthPath, the LifePath, and the BizPath. So right now we're just focusing. So let's talk about Freedom Path. So this Freedom Path was founded in 2022, led by industry veterans. Okay, it's 100% debt-free and privately owned industry. The mission is to help 1 million people in 5 years. So there's a real mission here, a proven track record of success. You can see ratings right there on Trustpilot, Google review, uh, A plus triple rated business. Okay, here are the founders. Kevin Kerr is CEO, and Ryan Ragland is the president and co-founder. Okay, so what is it? We've assembled the tools you need for financial freedom. So the score path, okay, is what I was talking about earlier with the credit score. You get access to a software that's going to help you there. With the wealth path, the life path, and the biz path. Okay, I'm particularly interested in the biz path, so that's why I'm kind of like trying to get folks to start. So the score path, let's talk about what that is. It's credit monitoring, so you stay on top of your credit with daily alerts. When key changes occur, and you get notified when the score changes. Okay, let's see who Victor 329. Welcome. Aboneduto, Lionel, Mr. Money. I like that, Mr. Money. With a name like that, how can you go wrong? Okay, so what we're gonna do right now? Do me one quick favor, guys and girls. Type me, type me in the chat somewhere if you're motivated and you're ready to grow. If you're motivated and you're ready to grow, this Sunday morning, well, I'm bringing you the sauce to get you where you're comfortable, not just with your own situation, but you can go forward. Okay. All right. So dispute processing, the do it yourself approach allows you to file a dispute if you believe your credit report contains inaccuracies or erroneous information. We utilize revolutionary AI technology to maximize results. So you also get what's called a credit attorney. Consumer law review connects you with qualified experts who can review your case and provide valuable insights. Okay, and you get rental reporting, where you report your rental payment history and turn your rent payments into credit score improvements in no time. There might be additional costs might apply for that particular one. Okay, all right. Has Mega, welcome. Paige, welcome, 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 everybody. Do me a quick favor as you join this live. Tap the like button and share. Tap share and keep the likes button going to sustain. And while you're on this live, to realize that I have a goal of 100 lightnings. Go ahead. Like right now in the Tampa Bay, we're experiencing like lightnings and rain and stuff. So I know we're used to lightning, but my goal right now is 100 of those. Do me a quick favor, Francisco. Uh, Abrego, welcome, welcome. Gabby 80, welcome. Okay, let's continue the presentation. Okay, don't forget to do that what I told you. So here's what the wealth path is. Okay, in a nutshell, it's estate planning, financial planning, personal loans, and debt tracker. So with the estate planning, you secure your family's financial freedom with trusted estate planning tools, including will, trust, power of attorney, healthcare directive, guardianship election, and pet trust. Believe it or not, you can have a trust for your pet. Personal loans, easily apply for a personal loan online. You find personal loans and payment terms that work with your budget, not my budget. Then you have financial planning. It's a comprehensive suite of tools that together create a robust financial planning ecosystem to help individuals, business owners achieve growth and success. Then you have what's called the debt tracker. Debt tracker provides clear view of outstanding debts, helping you manage repayments effectively, track progress towards becoming debt free. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to our studio and keep talking again. All right. So let's keep doing this stuff. If this went out, oh well, it went out, but I'm not out yet, and neither should you. All right. So let's get this going. All right. Okay. All right. Here we go. So I was talking about the what plan and whatnot. So let me do this again. Who's joined? Lydia Ortiz. I appreciate you joining. Appreciate you joining. All right, let's see who else has joined. Because again, remember, periodically, what I do is I come out here and I tell you guys the overall uh, scheme of maneuver of what's happening. Okay. All right. So who right now, having seen what I've just presented to them, is ready to level up with themselves today? I know a couple of you are. So what I need you to do right below the chat, go ahead and type me if you're ready to move ahead right now, and I will be reaching out to you. Okay, type me right now on this chat. Let's go, folks. I'm gonna wait a little bit, but remember, engagement drives more people coming in on board, and then we can also have the conversation. And some of you are ready to level up with yourself and be, you know, tapping into this stuff, right? Okay. So while I continue this presentation, I'm gonna need you to think about what I just said and let's go. All right. All right. So here we go. So LifePath isn't the theft monitoring or protection. Okay. Help monitor. And then this is all coming local savings and then travel planning. All right. So let's just keep this going. Keep it sustained. All right. So this again is the part that I'm very, 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 and I can tell you how much of excitement I am with this biz parts. Okay. You know what? That is exciting to me. And I'll tell you right now. Okay. So it helps you with business formation. I remember running into an entrepreneur that came up with a very um, innovative, what you call it, product. And he was like, you know what, this is so great, this is so great, yada, yada, yada. But when it came time to kind of sign up for this stuff, he wasn't sure if his business was properly formed. So I was like, you know what, I think you should consider business path. And the reason that is important is it's easy, stress free, and it's a personalized information. Okay, tools, resources, and guides to officially form your company. Because it's one thing to say I have a LLC or I have a corporation, but is it officially formed? There's certain things that need to happen, and within the business path um, uh, workflow, you should be able to do that. There's also something called a Biz Credit Academy. So if you start building and working towards your comprehensive program that provides step-by-step tools to help you build corporate credit and secure business funding without using personal funds or credit, including a free success scan. Okay, then you have the actual business funding, which is access and being simple, efficient, and efficient application process to fund your business. Okay, so what does